After halting for a brief period during the Lok Sabha elections, Kuki militants have resumed their aggressive attack into several Meitei villages at periphery areas using sophisticated weapons and explosives. The militants attack Meitei village with bombs at Itham, Moirangpurel village under Maphogdam police station in Imphal East district. As per sources, the Kuki militants initiated their assault on Moirangpurel from the Bonyang village hill range, unleashing a barrage of bullets and bombs starting from 9:15 a.m. Following which, the village volunteers also retaliated fiercely, engaging in heavy gun battle for around 20 minutes. However, there was no reports of casualties till the time of reporting. The source further said that tensions have been escalated between women folks and Central Security Forces after the security forces reportedly intervened at the spot and obstructed the passes. Meanwhile, village volunteers remain on high alert in the area. In addition, a team of Imphal East District Police Commando team has been deployed at the scene to reinforce security forces.